A record on the S&P for a second straight day, but today it moved above 4,000 for the first time ever. Now the TSX also inched closer to its all-time high after a gain of 7% in the first quarter of this year. Bay Street actually outperformed the S&P 500 in the first 3 months of 2021, and one money manager says that trend could continue.
Canada represents better upside than the United States as far as the equity markets are concerned. Canada did lag, or the TSX did lag in terms of the recovery last year. And if you X Shopify out of it, then our return last year was negative. We're seeing the TSX outperform the S&P 500 already this year. I think that can continue.
You heard him mention Shopify there. Shares in Shopify did move higher on Bay Street today after an upgrade. We also saw energy stocks moving higher today, with oil up after an OPEC Plus meeting. So the cartel has decided it will gradually increase output, but that's not going to start until May. In other words, the output cuts are being extended another month, and that news sent oil higher. The idea here is to slowly ramp up production as demand slowly increases as we get closer to the summer months and more people can be vaccinated. Western Canadian Select also moved higher today. Shares in Microsoft saw a spike on Wall Street on word of a deal with the U.S. government. The company won a nearly $22 billion U.S. contract to supply Army combat troops with its augmented reality headsets. The technology is based on Microsoft's headsets, which were originally intended for the video game and entertainment industries. So the device actually lets people see virtual imagery superimposed over the physical world in front of them. And the Pentagon says that could boost soldiers' awareness of their surroundings and their ability to spot targets and dangers. And good news for Canada's cargo jet today. It's extending its partnership with Amazon. So we did hear that it's reached an agreement to operate 2 Amazon-owned wide-body Boeing 767 aircraft within Canada. The deal with the e-commerce giant starts in the middle of the year. It's got a 4-year term on it with a possible renewal to 2031. The financial terms were not released, but Cargojet actually beat out 3 other bidders. Shares in Cargojet did move higher on Bay Street today. Have a great long weekend. In the 680 Business Center, I'm Kris McCusker.